Go aba MCA akurwase ward gosakurwase constituency nyaribali chache banyarako bagwikirana omuroberio oyobo bwenani bwechi basali gati yabo no MCA bwe ward ya Kyogoro Walter Obare mo chache nabigo omu MCA bwe ward ya Ibeno Stibarika banyarako bagoteba bigo barachikoba kwenekinga babwate sirie ABC yo mo chumbele kwenekia buna abamenyi bechi ward chabo banyarako bagwikiranirwa amone chira chamageno nyarabo nigo Walter mo chache nyarako kumubolia omochumbe oyanyarakobaga kwenekia buna ogochakiwa bene nokoroto twa kumurubiri bokwaga chokwe polytechnic asenseme yenyaguta nabugo kumubolia anyarekobaga kwenekia buno nyarekobaga kubwaterana amone serikali enene asogokora omochando bokubura kwemeremo gochia basanene ko sewodi yo ya Kyogoro.
Mheshimiwa Jhanda ekara mwako olino alenge yantrogo akatoletere basali na lero tebano ari nyaguta ototebito mokobe mbobe twakorire twanyolero mochumbe ogotokonye mechando eliete Jhanda yokoranga maite mechando tobwate tabigo tokonya igo mheshimiwa ere no arabisi emiaka 10 na intunto mubwate sia emiaka 10.
You are a friend to us as your MCS because whenever we call you, you always listen to us. And you've always given us your ears. So that one itself will help us improve Nyaribali Chache. And personally, I feel that the calls that I make to you, they have always supported Kyogoro Ward and people are feeling your presence on the ground. So thank you very much, Mheshimiwa. Mheshimiwa, there is an institute that was established here, that was to be done here. That has become a thorn in the flesh. These people want that institute established here, and that is your prerogative. I know with you that is possible. Wakati hizi nafasi za polisi zikitoka ama nafasi za walimu, tafadhali Kyogoro Ward kuna a lot of unemployment. Angalia hawa vijana wetu wawili watatu, utusaidie na sisi tukiendelea kupigana county, tufungue opportunities, tuone kama tutachukua wawili watatu waingie.